So, sea turtles are super interesting. A lot of them don't live anywhere near the US. They always live either out fully open in open water, only coming to land really to lay eggs. Um, there's been a lot of really weird and probably really bad videos lately with turtles that are either stuck in little plastic tabs for like sodas, or they have straws inside their noses. Um, I don't know a whole lot about sea turtles. I have a degree in environmental science, but they don't really cover marine life in that. You would need a degree in oceanography. But it's always fascinating to try to learn more about them. A lot of their coloring is based off the land itself. So ones that have that live in areas with a lot of green vegetation tend to be a lot lighter in color, um, and more green. They often develop interesting symbiotic relationships with other animals that live around. So most of the time, they end up paired up with several different kinds of fish that end up eating a lot of the algae and stuff off their back. Um, there are even several species of turtles that have a specific worm-looking tongue. That's They kind of just sit on the ocean floor and they leave their mouth open and their tongue kind of wiggles around like a little worm that fish go in and try to get, and the turtles snap and eat them. So that's a few exciting facts. Yeah.